Two guys, same body fat. One has a sharp, chiseled jawline, the other puffy face, soft jaw, double chin. The difference isn't genetics. It's what they do every day fix that. And in 2 weeks, your face will look carved out of stone. Let me show you how. Step 1. Kill the bloat in 7 days. This is the fastest way to see results. You're going to attack the 3 main causes of face bloat. First, hydration reset. Drink at least 3 liters of water every single day. I know you've heard this before, but here's why it actually works. When your body is dehydrated, it holds on to every drop of water it can. That water gets stored in your face, under your eyes, in your cheeks. But when you flood your system with water consistently, your body realizes it's safe to let go. It stops hoarding. The puffiness drains out. Your face tightens up. And no, coffee and energy drinks don't count. Those dehydrate you even more. Stick to water. Here's exactly how to do this. Start your morning with a full liter of water before anything else. Not coffee, not breakfast water. This kickstarts your metabolism and signals to your body that hydration is coming. Keep a water bottle with you everywhere. In your car, at your desk, in your gym bag. Set reminders on your phone every 2 hours if you have to. Most guys think they're drinking enough water, but when they actually track it, they're barely hitting 1 liter. Track it for 1 day and you'll see what I mean. And here's a game changer. Add a pinch of sea salt to your water in the morning. Sounds counterintuitive, but quality sea salt contains trace minerals that help your body actually absorb and use the water instead of just peeing it out. This keeps you hydrated at a cellular level. Second, cut the sodium. Processed snacks, fast food, instant meals, they're loaded with salt. And salt makes you retain water like crazy. Here's a simple rule. If it comes in a bag or a box and has more than 500 milligrams of sodium per serving, don't eat it. Swap chips for fruit. Swap instant noodles for real food. Your face will thank you. And here's the hack most people don't know. Balance sodium with potassium. Potassium flushes out excess sodium and keeps your face lean. Eat bananas, spinach, sweet potatoes, avocados. These foods are like a reset button for your face. Want the fastest de-bloat hack? Make a potassium-rich smoothie every morning. Blend 1 banana, a handful of spinach, half an avocado, a cup of coconut water, and some almond milk. Drink that daily and watch your face tighten up within 48 hours. I'm not exaggerating. This works. Another trick. Eat your biggest meal at lunch, not dinner. When you eat a heavy, salty meal late at night, you wake up looking like a balloon. But when you eat it earlier in the day, your body has time to process it and flush out the excess sodium before you sleep. Third, fix your sleep. Even 1 bad night of sleep raises cortisol, and cortisol makes you look inflamed, puffy, and tired. Your face literally swells up. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Go to bed at the same time every night, and cut screens an hour before sleeping. Your phone is killing your melatonin and destroying your face. Here's what most guys don't realize. Sleep quality matters more than sleep quantity. You can sleep 9 hours and still wake up puffy if your sleep is garbage. Keep your room dark and cool. Invest in blackout curtains. Use a sleep mask if you have to. The darker, the better. Your body produces more melatonin in complete darkness, which means deeper sleep and better recovery. And if you snore or wake up tired even after 8 hours, get checked for sleep apnea. That alone could be destroying your face. Sleep apnea causes chronic inflammation, which shows up as puffiness, dark circles, and premature aging. One more thing. Elevate your head slightly when you sleep. Use an extra pillow or a wedge pillow. This prevents fluid from pooling in your face overnight. You'll wake up looking tighter and more defined. Do this for 7 days. Just 7 days. And I promise you, your face will look leaner, sharper, and more defined. Some guys lose what looks like 3 kilos just from fixing bloat. That's how powerful this step is. The 7-day challenge. Take a photo of your face today, front view, side profile. Then follow these 3 steps religiously for 1 week. No cheating. Take another photo on day 7. Compare them side by side. The difference will shock you. Your jawline will be sharper. Your cheeks will be leaner. Your eyes will look bigger. That's the power of eliminating bloat. Step 2. Lower your body fat percentage the right way. Now let's talk about real fat loss. Because here's the truth. You cannot spot reduce fat. You can't do face exercises and burn fat from your cheeks. That's not how the body works. But here's the good news. Your face is one of the first places that shows fat loss. That's why someone can drop just a few kilos and suddenly their jawline and cheekbones pop. So how do you actually lower body fat without losing muscle and looking skinny fat? Nutrition first. You need to be in a calorie deficit, but you need to do it smart. Don't starve yourself. Don't crash diet. That'll just make you lose muscle, slow your metabolism, and leave you looking weak. Instead, focus on whole foods. Swap soda for water, fried snacks for fruit, processed junk for real meals. It's that simple. And prioritize protein. Chicken, eggs, fish, lentils, Greek yogurt. Protein keeps you full, maintains muscle, and burns calories just by digesting it. Aim for at least 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Strength training plus cardio. Lifting weights builds lean muscle, and muscle increases your metabolism, which means you burn more fat even when you're resting. Focus on compound movements. Squats, deadlifts, bench press, rows. Then add HIIT cardio, 2 to 3 times a week. High-intensity interval training torches fat fat faster than jogging for hours. Sprint for 30 seconds, rest for 2 minutes, repeat. 3 to 5 sets. That's it. Consistency beats intensity. Don't go on a 2-week extreme diet and then quit. Commit to 3 to 4 solid workouts a week and a diet you can stick to long term. That's how you unlock your natural bone structure. When you do this right, your face transforms, cheeks slim down, jawline gets sharper, double chin disappears. You'll look in the mirror and see a completely different person. Check the link in the description for more ways to improve your look. Step 3. Build a stronger jawline without gimmicks. Here's where things get interesting. Even while you're losing fat, there are specific things you can do to make your face look sharper right now. Chewing and jaw exercises. Chewing gum won't burn face fat, but it will tone the muscles in your jaw, and stronger jaw muscles create more definition. Use sugar-free gum. Chew for 20 to 30 minutes a day. Alternate sides so your face stays symmetrical. Over time, this builds the masseter muscles and gives you that square, masculine jawline. But here's the key. Don't overdo it. Some guys chew for hours and end up with an overly wide jaw that looks unnatural. Keep it balanced. Mewing and tongue posture. This one sounds weird, but it works. Mewing is when you press your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. It's your natural resting position, but most guys breathe through their mouth and never do it. When you mew consistently, it strengthens your facial structure, supports your jawline, and keeps your face tight. Do it all day. Make it a habit. It's free, it's easy, and it works. Posture fixes. If your head leans forward, your jawline gets hidden under your neck. But when you keep your shoulders back and your chin slightly tucked, your jawline instantly looks stronger. Stand tall. Walk with confidence. Your posture changes how your face looks more than you realize. Step 4. Grooming and appearance hacks. This is the part most guys overlook. Even if you haven't lost all the face fat yet, the right grooming makes you look leaner and sharper instantly. Haircut strategy. If you have a round face, avoid long hair with too much volume. It makes your face look even rounder. Instead, get a haircut where the sides are short and you have a little volume on top. This creates an oval shape, which is the ideal facial structure. Think fade on the sides, textured crop on top. It frames your face and makes it look slimmer. Beard game. A well-trimmed beard can literally carve out your face. If you have a round face or a weak jawline, grow a beard and shape it to create angles. Trim the cheeks high and keep the bottom sharp. If you can't grow a full beard, even a light stubble adds definition. Just keep it clean and maintained. Skincare routine. Clear, hydrated skin reflects light better, which makes your features look sharper. Wash your face twice a day. Moisturize. Use sunscreen. That's it. And if you have acne or dark spots, fix that too. Clean skin makes you look leaner, healthier, and more attractive. Step 5. Lifestyle resets that change everything. Here's the truth. Your lifestyle is either building your face or destroying it, and most guys are destroying it without even knowing. Cut alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates your body and bloats your face. It raises cortisol, disrupts sleep, and makes you store fat. If you want a sharp jawline, limit alcohol to once a week max, or cut it completely. Manage stress. High stress increases cortisol, and cortisol makes you look inflamed, puffy, and aged. Find outlets that calm your mind. Work out, meditate, go for walks, spend time with people you care about. The calmer you are, the better your face and body will look. Stress literally ages you. Sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. It's when fat loss happens. It's when your face recovers from the day, 7 to 8 hours. Same time every night. Dark room. No screens. Make sleep non-negotiable. Step 6. Stop blaming genetics. This is the worst habit of all. So many guys look in the mirror, see flaws, and instantly say, "It's genetics. I can't change it." That mindset keeps you average. Genetics set your base, but diet, sleep, fitness, grooming, and style decide your potential. 80% of your looks are in your control. Fix your habits and you'll unlock your real face. Ready to level up? Subscribe and check the link in the description.